Today, we are all gathered together as united Mangaldan education stakeholders to take an active part in the third historic installation of the Mangaldan Municipal Campus Journalism Seminar, Right Shop and Press Conference, spearheaded by our very good and the very supportive Municipal Councilor Aldrin O. Soriano.
Heavy on my heart, wandering the streets tonight. When it all counts for something, and your pocket's full of nothing. Let's get high, believe that I can.
Ayaw ko na po na ang mga estudyante natin ay magbabayad pa ng registration fee. Dito na po, dinala na po natin ang mga magagaling na mga lecturers para po mahasa ang critical thinking at journalism skills ng mga estudyante sa Mangaldan.
Whenever you try to write, whenever you're trying to presenting a thought, just make sure that you're always treading in the right path. The reason why a lot of famous so-called journalists or even bloggers are being bashed nowadays, unang-una, because of social media, madaling i-research yung sinulat nyo dahil sa internet. It is easy to correct the things, it is easy to fact-check everything that you write and everything you can read right now.
Heavy on my feet, walking down a winding road.
Probably in the entire Pangasinan, he's the only one, he's the only municipal councilor who has this advocacy in Campus Join. So palakpakan po natin si Kagawad Aldrin. Wala ito sa ibang munisipalidad, wala ito sa ibang bayan. Tayo lang ang meron because of Kagawad Aldrin. Thank you very much, Kagawad Aldrin.
Let's get high, believe that I can promise you. Yes, I am a dreamer too.
So when you become journalist, always tread and take the path na dapat iwasan nyo na mag-imbento, iwasan yung gumawa ng kwento, at iwasan yung isulat ang mga to as if sila ay yung buong katotohanan. Kasi kung ganun din lang ang gagawin nyo, mag-fiction writing na lang kayo. Always stick to the facts.
I can promise you.